AI and technical analysis. Technical analysis is a popular method used in financial trading to analyze and forecast the price movements of assets, such as stocks, currencies, and commodities. It involves the use of charts and statistical tools to identify patterns and trends in historical market data, in order to make predictions about future price movements. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that involves the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and decision-making. AI has the potential to revolutionize the field of technical analysis by providing powerful tools to analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and make accurate predictions about market trends. There are already many examples of AI being used in financial trading, such as algorithmic trading and machine learning-based predictive analytics. These techniques use sophisticated mathematical models and statistical algorithms to analyze market data and make trading decisions. One of the main benefits of using AI in technical analysis is the ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data much faster than a human analyst could ever do. This can help traders to identify patterns and trends more quickly and accurately and make more informed trading decisions. However, it's important to note that AI is not a magic bullet, and there are still many challenges to overcome in applying it to technical analysis. For example, the quality and reliability of data can have a significant impact on the accuracy of AI-based predictions. The use of AI in financial trading raises ethical and regulatory concerns, as well as potential risks related to algorithmic biases and the automation of decision-making. Overall, AI has the potential to significantly improve the effectiveness of technical analysis in financial trading. But it will require ongoing research and development to address the challenges and risks associated with its use. Tips for AI technical analysis. Here are some tips for using AI in technical analysis. Use high-quality data. The accuracy of AI-based predictions depends on the quality and reliability of the data used to train the models. Make sure you use high-quality, clean data that is relevant to the asset or market you are analyzing. Choose the right algorithms. There are many different AI algorithms and techniques that can be used for technical analysis, such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. Choose the algorithm that is best suited to the specific task you are trying to accomplish. Test and validate the models. Before using an AI model for trading, it's important to test and validate its performance using historical data. This will help you to identify any issues or biases in the model and improve its accuracy. Monitor and update the models. The markets are constantly changing, and AI models that are trained on historical data may not perform as well in current market conditions. Make sure to monitor the performance of your AI models regularly, and update them as necessary to reflect changing market trends. Understand the limitations of AI. While AI can be a powerful tool for technical analysis, it's important to understand its limitations. AI models may not be able to capture all of the nuances and complexities of the markets and may be subject to biases or errors. Always use AI as a complement to human analysis, rather than a replacement for it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.